gravity field. Remember, say, listen to me. When you have a thing, you can feel it, You see big wall as you go so, you wonder where you're there. And no by time, listen to me. Let me show you something. And no by time you in a some woman, you have to open them up good enough. And then look for some
Just tap be like that. No woman now some.
And no by time you have a skin out no woman. And the one that ever pussy that. You want it? You by time you good on so. And two you flying.
Watch your eyes on that video, you want to get viral.
And kill him out, they look away and go.
What I mean, where did it go? Where did it go? What that's supposed to mean?
Oi, I know by time you know, I want to do. You see no power, I'll tell you.
The key in picture. What? How you did that do? How you did that do? When did that do, Sheena? Gilbert, how you Sheena do? Eh? Tell me what going on. Eh? Sheena, what? How you and Gilbert do that? So Gilbert can fuck on your stage? Gilbert, we catch you. Catch you, Gilbert. What? Hey, Monty.
Shout to the people. Tell the people say they're clean.
Go boy.
Yo, tell the people say chat to the people.
Yeah, money I get. Yeah, blood clot.
What kind of money I get?
And you give me that, I can shoot your blood clot.
So what?
And you wanna get money and I give me no.
Half hour. TikTok now pay my you.
The way I go with it, give me.
Yeah, one buck.
I bet you will take you.
It's either you kill me or me kill you.
You can't burn down nobody else either. The people them want to see you. The people them want to see you.
Stay there, text it for me.
Don't fear that again.
Box, kick,
Right.
and do me nothing.
Right. Right. So you want a man to know, the man can buy
Age group.
Yes, by age group. You know what I'm saying?
Age group by 34, 35.
34, 35. And
Like
you
your
can,
age.
you
Like
can,
my age.
You tell her the
yes,
setting.
you can buy a jars and brazier, whatever you
Yeah,
want.
me go out.
And carry you go.
Be nice.
Be nice to you.
Yeah.
Not to box
Not
and
to
kick.
tell me no bad word.
Yes. But you have to be same
Not
thing.
to go out and take a woman back on me back and try like work some money can come. You know, say me work this up, me work this up. Put hand together. You know,
So you don't still do your work where you do if you get the man? Are you
If me get the
yes,
man.
are you don't stop that the work? Me just want to know.
I just have to stop.
That the work there. And get a
Telephone company.
oh, you want a telephone company work when you get the man?
When me get,
Okay, I see.
when me get you.
And me
Yes.
know.
So
And me
and
know.
Sean, one woman we can work, real mind my work,
Alright.
and Shami.
Nobody never
So
stop me.
Jenko people,
Well, I-
Karen need a man, Sean need a woman.
Right.
You all break down to this.
Alright.
Karen need a man, we can buy brazier and panty, carry him go out, no box and kick him, love him
No
and
take
show
no
him, and then
disadvantage.
Karen we change his work. I work at telephone company, Jenko people. And Sean say he need a woman. We are 21 and 22. A woman where they work and can take care of him. We'll mind him a work. I say go.
We can help me, not to
Can
box me. Not to,
financingly, you mean? Me is not to carry sex life on the road.
Okay.
That's for me privacy.
No, you're not going to this privacy now, you know. That you out of this privacy. Yeah. She
No.
talk about fear privacy when you get with man. You know, son of divorce.
Yes.
So right away, on
No,
the social media.
She tell me say, not me. Me not fear sex life go to road too.
But what I'm saying now, And the social media, how you call it now, Sean?
Yeah.
How you call it? Social what?
Social media.
Social media.
Yeah.
Alright. So people on the social media, if there is a man, listen, what you think would be nice to Karen, here Karen is. And if there's a lady who you think would be nice to Sean, on the social what?
Social medium.
Medium. And the social medium. 121, 22. Sean available, Jamaican people.
Yes,
and Karen available, Jamaican people.
Come in, man.
No,
See line now. Walk the straight line. Walk the straight line. Are you saying a jump, you know? Oi, me bumbo class. Yes, sir. Walk the line, man. That's the line, you know. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come here, one second, come on, no. Where you look? Alright, you look alright, you look alright, you look alright. You look too bad. What's your name? What's your name again? What's your name again? Submarine, no. Ever underwater, you know. One submarine. Say big up submarine. What's your name? What's your name? Submarine. What's your name? I mean underwater. You see you? Yeah, man, walk a straight line, man. I should say you're not paro, you're straight. Walk a straight line. Now, man, walk on the line, man. Walk on the line, yeah. Yeah, stay upon the line. Stay upon the line now. What's the money I move, so? Walk the line at school, yeah. Yeah, come in now, come in now, come in now. Come back now. Come back now. Come back now, man. Walk a straight line. Yeah, man, you can't walk, man. You're alright, man. You're alright. Come on, come on, come on. Man, lick down a blood clot. Come on, alright, you're good. You're good now. You're good. You're good. You're not too paro. You're not too paro. Oh, come on the road, you know. Come on the grass road, you know. Can't lick down, you know. Come on the road. Come on the road. Where you go? Alright. Alright. Walk on the banking. Don't walk on the line, you know. Walk on the banking.
Secrecy stuff and wiring it.
You know you're not supposed to touch a woman's hair.
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's rule
I'm a
number
foreigner.
one. Oh, well.
I didn't know
Me
that.
learned
Is
today.
What is it called? Assault or something?
It's called disrespect.
Disrespect?
Yeah.
Which hair are we talking about?
My hair. Any woman's hair.
Anybody's. That's why Jamaican men don't eat pum pum.
Ah, tough.
They don't eat pum pum because Jamaican women said, "Don't touch my hair."
Also, if you eat her pum pum, you want to touch her hair?
Oh, you got I don't know, a fork and knife maybe? That way you don't die. I don't know. What are you suggesting? You want the Parmesan or not?
Fresh drop, you know. I'm alone, can't do it. Watch out. Watch your style out. Watch your style out, people. TikTok, watch your style out. 18 hours. And child. What's an child? No joke. No police can't tell him nothing of him. Brawling. No joke.
Brawling viral a morning in a dog. Tell yourself no go hear about your morning, you know.
This man a drop down father. Father, watch out.
We tell yourself no hear about your morning, you know, dog.
Me can't do this.
Oh, no.
This man a drop down. You be not going near me?
Brawling a morning, man.
Me bumbo crap.
Right time, right time. Tell yourself no hear about your
morning,
morning,
dog. You
dog.
can't feel serious to the father. Yeah. You see him can take a look at him.
Dog, I go sleep or so. Right, that's why dog I sleep, you know.
You see, I can just rub bar alone.
You see it? See it, Don't fuck up. Don't fuck up. Don't fuck up. Don't fuck up. Tell them, my dog, don't fuck up. Don't fuck up. Don't fuck.
Long time me I tell you no say river come. Can they go away? Oh no, move the car. Make it pack them wash and move the car. Move the car.
blood time.
Long time I tell you.
Come on, nothing a joke. Eh?
Them a lose sitting.
Look how long we are telling us every back come. Take a woman who don't take up his sitting them.
Could I? Take up his sitting them.
Virgin movie car.
I'm moving car. Fuck out now.
Movie pot.
Fuck out. Could I?
Bumbo clat. A long time I tell us every back.
A long time I tell you no. Who ya? Watch out. Oh? Yes, man.
In a year, no man. Because I'm stubborn.
Tell you no.
I chew no blood clot stubborn.
Tell you no.
I chew me no want to wash everything back on.
Tell you no. So that back a cool gun. So that cool gun there.
It's stubborn, you know.
Long time I tell you no.
For me, I'm good on me call and I tell us every back up. Where they come from?
No much fun call. Hey, Jude, but you know how long for you tell me? You know how long me ready and tell him say?
Ryan man tell him say Bridget River come.
And we have drunk and my girlfriend reach and call me. No, we cool gun. No, they take them, they show them out, man. That's why soup and something.
When you have good on me tell them say River come.
Tell them who back yourself again. We tell them, and a long time we tell them. Oh, and you don't get so you tell them to come. Yes, man, water warm and nice. Ryan, me don't respect nobody.
I'm going to bomb clock kill you. You're going to suck in my blood clot. Bomber ass clot. Don't believe me now? Any man let me dead. Remember that bomber clot. Any pussy let me dead. I'm not afraid that boy going to suck him, man.
Famous cowboy, man. Cowboy, you bling out, man. Cowboy, you bling out, man. No, cowboy, give me a pose, man.
When I go look there, when I see it.
When I look at what happened?
Wicked and this style.
Wicked is that?
I'm going to talk to my
Eh?
That's so style, yeah. You see?
Eh.
I'm going to show you. Look way back.
Man.
Hold that go.
Finish tell me where you check the
No, this is whatever I'm going to look there.
Eh.
A working style.
A working style is that?
Working style.
So you're a dig pit in this outfit?
Never dig right, I don't go pig and pop
The cowboy, if you look so, you got dig pit. How you look when I look girl?
When I go look girl, you'll get the king of a pass here.
I say, my mind upon one woman, I see. I say, no, that. But I don't know how I love her so much. No one ever heard herself for me. Like my baby mother from Springbrook. My baby mother from Springbrook, eh? She heard herself for me. When she a bed, me can't carry soap go, me can't carry rag go, me can't put no water in her bathroom. I don't know pipe over there. But I say, no that, eh? She said, bring everything come to me. Bring water, bring soap. We say, see the child over there. You see, night, eh? You get everything. Me not have to ask. No panty, eh? Sauce panty, yes, no panty, hey!
I can't take up my bill phone. I should be in blood clot pocket when I look on the camera and see him take up my bill phone. Oh, about 40 blood clot kick and back and get out of bar. Ah, no, I'm not touching. I'm good on now, I buy 2 jack and 2 brother. Because I know say them man they are real bumbo clot killer. And I say, yo, killer. I want a whistle and I did that now. And I take out my billy and pull on. I say, by the time I take out and pull on, I see man stretching and over my head like so. And take up my billy like 10 minutes things so I don't switch him take you. And I'm looking at the camera like so I switch him. I say, yo, post it. Put on my bill phone. Where you take up my bill phone? And I my friend and the man still at me. Oh, about 40 blood clot boxing get by the time he come out of the bar.
Me too. What you want? Buy a Pepsi?
anything.
Alright, give a Pepsi the mail. How much it? Alright, collect a Pepsi then. Oh, you reach up there so quick. I run me down.
No, sir. Make the money and tell them who wounded, sir.
What is wounded? Show me your own, as the man said. What the wounded?
Right there, so when you can't buy a Pepsi, you feel it now, my foot and I walk up and down and now no money.
You walk and dip.
No money now, walk and I feel it now, my foot. When you can't buy a Pepsi from him, me have to tell him to owe him or give me the right. I'm owing the right.
Me done say flavor right, we not get him a put in gun and head and bust. See me?
Win again.
See me?
Put me gun on my head and pull the trigger.
You hear what I say? Jamaica, look out for him, you know. Look for him in a town, in if you know. Jamaica, look out for him. Cause I send bro, go lick them again. Bumbo clad. Oh God, man, alright.
Alright, my dog. Question. Any pussy?
Yeah, yes, all in public. In nice with rum cream. In nice with supple gin. In nice with ice cream. In nice with insure.
Sure the boy is okay.
Yeah.
Transmission them the day no vomit. Me say some of them come on live a hall of a man. A hall of a what up? No, sir, this is after too terrible for me. Me can't manage it. Man come on a holler. Pan life one a man cocky. Jesus Christ, God Almighty. What has not? That's what this world gone. Man a holler of a man cocky. Bumbo Jaja. I wonder if the government would have give me a legality with me gun. And say, Tumpy, this is you. You are the new James Bond. You are licensed to kill transmission. Bumbo clot. Kuya. Me never want pay. I don't want pay. Me just want bullets. 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 Bumbo clot. That's all me want. Bullet. Bullet. Bumbo clot. Yo. I don't give a fuck how nobody want to feel. Me personally feel say transmission for blood clot dead.
Yes, I want to give her a helicopter, nunchuck, lizard lap, wheelbarrow, compressor, pushy and turny, and make she stammer, make she squeal, make she speechless, and teach her lesson. She there at school, you know, so...
Get up and show her a walker. Get up and show her a walker, daddy. Walk her, you killer.
I'm going to put you on the back and so, but your foot are going to wrap around my waist, you know.
Bumbo clot.
So I'm going to stab.
Bumbo clot. As a killer.
Oh, you are aware.
What's the cartel of daddy? What are you do?
Then I'm dirty people after.
So when you look woman, if you look woman decent.
Woman decent?
Yeah, you have to look woman decent.
I don't want them when they want the rebel one. Because man, they rape them and kill them. So they do the dirty girl. I want rough girl, rough ice pick and acid.
No, you can't take no woman where...
They want to grow me.
But Jerry, you can't date no woman where you got chew acid and knife and
yeah,
them
man,
stuff
I them want because the man who rape them and step in them like when them do the nurse, man. Bad woman,
you can't take no bad woman, Jerry, and them are going to fight you off.
No, they don't fight you off. They can't defend themselves and defend the pity. No fight.
Jerry, you look like you're toxic. You're one toxic type of man.
Yeah, tell me what you want. I say, I don't want to agitate again. If I say blood clot, them start back. I found a 3 months say, left him. Me don't want them. I really want.
So.
Yeah, do your thing now.
Why line up with a full change? I'm going to put energy in it.
Do your thing.
Yeah, what's your name?
Tommy.
Tommy. Food Change is telling you absolutely no eating off the bus. The bus is a very important issue where man is concerned. But there are some men who take the bus to heart. You don't take it to foot. You take it to heart.
Yeah.
And either, oh my God, I'm warning those guys. No eating off the bus.
One Derek and try.
Derek and Troy, I'm warning. Absolutely no eating off the bus. Derek and Troy. Remember the man that put the breath in the nostril. Make your action pleasing. That's our duty. And for the buff, absolutely no eating off the bus.
All right.
Break it. Give me a sense of...
I said that front me making. I'm in a fighting still. No one am making that front.
I push her, mother push her out again.
No, push my mother, I'm a 21. I'm a last brother. Them cut him out because now I come out. Him have a house over there, so I dog come crossway. Last one that.
Never ask you that, man, answer about you.
The first one there at 21?
Are you the first one?
Yeah.
You are the first one of your mother?
Yeah. At 21, she have me. My man come out a farm hole. Farm home. I got the 15 and the 16 and the 13 them.
No, I come out of firm hole to the first. Me the first one my mother have.
At what age?
Mother have munch how much?
Me ban? Oh, me finna.
Mother have munch about 80.
18, 19.
Yeah, man.
Mother,
have me when she's
I say
21.
me at 29 I'm in a breed yet.
Are you a career girl? You're not ready for baby yet?
So me not career girl.
What is a career? I'm a career girl. Yeah, the other day. I'm going to say.
So what you got eat?
No, it's more than my Kentucky. Come on, a beer tomorrow. No, I want the crab tomorrow. Crab, oh, eat crab. No, yo.
But you say
tomorrow, you buy a crab.
No, what you say Shaga do?
A beer, come beer for the fuck, you know. You never beef up for you. So you stop and buy Kentucky, right? Everything for me, you. Because I'm going to spend the night, you know. Kentucky. Come on, go up on the fridge. No, this one, get out of the Kentucky. Then leave the microwave. Leave the microwave. So a microwave? No, I better go buy one. I should buy, I'm going to need a blender, innit? You need a blender, a microwave. How much is it?
A pressure cooker.
The pressure cooker.
Okay.
So you ever do now, you stop and buy the Kentucky. Two piece one man, so shit, sir.
Where you say name? Where you say name?
The 2 piece?
Where you say Shaga buy?
No, it's check up. A Kentucky, right? A Kentucky.
KFC.
KFC, a Kentucky.
Say KFC.
No man. Kentucky.
K.
Originally in Kentucky.
K.
So that different from.
Read, I'm saying for me K.
No, I say it so. No, I don't know.
KFC.
Say name Kentucky again. Don't wish one Kentucky. Different one.
Say KFC.
I'm wishing you. You take that fanatic. Me. KFC is Kentucky. Ask Google. Hey, yo. KFC, right? It's Kentucky. KFC. The Kentucky chicken, that. Eh? You know the man then? Me know him, me young, me see him. You know him? Right after. Me see Mr. Kentucky. The days and years, right across that state theater. I used to eat out a crock plate. See him like what I see him on the box. I see him, so him dress. And them drive come in a crockery. I eat it right this time. Hey, get up here, don't come to church now, you know.
Jerry, you can't change the topic.
To a pussy. Tolo drunk again. I just I people them walling go over figure a run bar, you know. I said then said you so. Who said you so? Not a clot at the rum do you so? At the rum you drink? It assumes so you go down pussy hole. Might be a one shot of rum send you home. For you love rum more than you buy a crab.
No, where's the Shaga do?
I pay you, come pay for the fuck, you know. Me not pay for you. So you stop and buy Kentucky, right? Everything for me and you. Because I'm going to spend the night, you know. Kentucky. Come on, go up on the fridge. No, this one, get out of the Kentucky.
Jerry, do it? 4 years, 9 months?
Yeah. Come here, I'm married, you know, file, you know. The filing, give me a couple more years.
I feel like I want to bring Jerry.
To where?
Manchester. When I come back.
Yeah, I have some of that thing.
I feel like I go make me and Jerry take a trip.
I told him about my shit ticket.
And in England we are going on small island.
Oh, yeah, man. In the summertime.
So you're willing you're willing for fly now?
Me?
Yeah.
Can you have the passport? But I never have the passport, I never had that thing.
So you're willing for fly now? We can take a trip?
Who pay that for you?
Jesus, peace.
So me, them not gonna know about them, they know me, I'm going to own the finance.
And me and you go foreign.
Yeah, who's sponsoring us?
And me, I buy the ticket them.
Yeah, rich man.
I buy 2 tickets.
How much them ticket there? But what I know, I'm not dancing now. How much you want the ticket there?
You don't have to know that?
Yeah, madman, you go by yourself.
What do you mean?
Everything.
What do you mean you have to know everything?
Yeah, I'll tell you where we are going to do. We don't have time for waste, you know. You see, place them, when we reach on the place, you know. No green, no gate, no nothing.
I buy 2 tickets and me and you go.
I mean, like Gladys, you know. So me look like Gladys to about foreign.
We can go Panama, we can go.
Panama big like what Portmore, you know.
Eh?
Panama big like what Portmore, you know. Panama big, you know. Panama Canal, but.
You ever go there?
By the time my friend them go.
You ever go?
See, you can't believe nobody, tiny go.
Me say you ever go?
I'm big like Portmore. I'm a relative, but then right now.
You go?
What's wrong with you, you know? Something blood clot wrong with you.
So we are going.
Relative there Panama. My family are Panama.
Peru. We go somewhere. We can go Mexico.
How the go them stay down there, sir? Because I now go find and come back here so broke, you know. Me not going to find and come back here so broke. So, but I know where you are though. We advertise also.
Jerry, a vacation we are going on.
I'm not busy about that. I'm only me one. They can go left out a blood tap pour us and come back without money. What's the fucking man? So you better just try.
Jerry, a vacation we are going on. We not go on no work or nothing.
Alright, hear me one. Anytime coming to my yard, never 50 pounds. Okay, I'm going to show you.
And I'm not sure you go do, Jerry.
I get up on one day in the hotel. I walk up and drink alcohol. I don't have time for that. You see any gate there, sir? You see a pen there, sir? You see any iron, you see any grill? Up by the house plate, the pipe. 2 pipe a leak. The drum a leak. The pipe I put up. I want to you. That type of friction, you know, man.
Say that one gonna foreign then.
I will go. But I'm going for money.
You can't go for money because I can't pay for come foreign with me. So I better
get the money and come back here, bro.
Jerry and me just buy 2 tickets and me and you go foreign.
You have to broke and come back, bro.
Yeah.
No, but this is so bro. I'm in deep, but I better say that me, bro. But it's my second name, mother. She like me there on now when my broke, you know. She like me there on and say, boy, I enter your broke in the chair. Cross, you know, man. Yeah, I'm touchy, you know. That's one of the I stay down here.
So we can go foreign, Virgin.
When? We have no time in our day.
I don't know when. I don't know yet.
Why?
I if you don't want to go foreign, I go foreign with you.
You have 2 times go foreign left me. And you love sporting and you live in a blood clot way, you know.
Jero! Stop talking about me not live nowhere, I'm love sport.
I rent your pay.
But me not live somewhere?
No.
I live somewhere.
You own a house. You want, hey, you know, I'll get the farm for it.
Hey, yeah.
You don't want to live nowhere. But for them not live nowhere, you know, when them get big, you know. Waste out them time. You don't want to live nowhere.
So don't you want me to go foreign? Me not live nowhere?
Fly from plane 6 times, you know. You have a home. You have a home. I have a paper to your home. So you can go borrow money off of you. I see my father buying a look for me good.
And your father that buy it.
And me there won't see man buying. My hope, me buy my marble. I leave my marble in yard. And my sister, my brother, my nephew, my marble in yard. If you think about yard, can you go stay young? A yard every day, my love yard.
You see how many people there so come to ask you, have a home?
You can't get out of the market. You might be about what's that bill? Mama, you're not going to buy cash and mortgage. I'm going to pay for you by the time I get a pity them up 9 years. You have a yard.
I 10 pity more.
You don't know what she do.
Him say ox.
Rosalie have a yard.
Still love Rosalie name, sir.
So she have ambition. Some girl don't have no yard. When you have ambition, she have a home fish and a pit them and a family them.
Jerry.
Who don't have no yard, don't have no ambition, you know.
So what you try to say, man, ambition?
No.
So what you try say? What you try say? What you try say?
Stop dictating fanatic.
What you try say?
I want talk. You don't give me the time for talk.
Talk no talk.
You're young, right? You're
yes.
Young. You're young. I look for Margaret. Me know you do that. I will tell me the house I'm out of Asian Road.
Me not tell you nothing to call my name.
So $80 million for them.
Okay, not $80 million. I don't know, me never tell you nothing.
You want a man to buy a yard?
Me tell you something.
You depend on a man to buy a place.
You hear me say me depend on a man?
So, yes.
You see me depend on a man?
Get a yard to yourself.
What you know about me?
Your brain.
What you know about me?
You pay rent.
Ugly big guy, man. What you know about me?
You pay rent.
And what if me a parent? And what?
Boy, I have a home.
But you not.
Me want to have a home for yourself. You pay rent for the rest of your life?
No.
Me reach some years, you can't pay rent again, you know? Like you can't work again.
Jerry, leg off for me. Leg off for me now.
You have one in a Browns Lane. You must have to lick down them that big shopping center and supermarket. You never notice. You know what you say? So a shopping center and supermarket. The whole of Browns Lane have lick down. The whole of this will sell already. Back then sell. Oh. The man, the Indian man sell it to the government. Then we say on the zinc up, then they soon gone. Because the people on the other side of the good outside. That I drop for them price of house. Because housing trust them have 5 million for fix up them house, you know. When I'm back there, the one that have the good house, the Sandino house, because them name Sandino Cuban construction.